I got this Mercury 2.5 horsepower outboard motor off Facebook Marketplace for only $250. It looks pretty sketch though. We're gonna see if we can get it running. At least it came with the free stand. Let's dig in and see what we got. We'll just check the obvious: compression, spark, and fuel. All right, thank God we have spark. Let's do a compression test. All right, look at that. We got about, what, 100 PSI there. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get this old fuel out of this fuel tank. Ooh, there's a wasp nest inside there. So it looks like this throttle is bent. And so I need to get this whole plate off here and try to bend this back straight again when I have the carburetor off. The float is just free to float up and down in here. I'm gonna bend this back straight because that doesn't seem right. All right, we got the carb back on. Turn the choke off there and nothing's coming out now. That little bending that float bowl and cleaning everything, that worked. I'm just checking make sure the cutoff lanyard works. I got the idle fixed. I just had to adjust this little screw right here, and that keeps this from falling down as far and keeps it idling, so that's fixed. This drain plug does not want to come out of here. There it goes. Well, it looks nice and dark. Someone has not been doing the maintenance to this thing that should have been done. Yeah, we're replacing those old washers with new washers. I'm so annoyed by this cart that has no wheels. Let's see if we can order some wheels. Oh, the free engine stand just became a $16 engine stand. In these little 2.5s, or really small outboards, the water impeller is actually behind the prop. So we'll take the prop off to get to the water pump instead of lowering this whole unit here, which is the norm for most bigger outboards.